green. This is heat number 10, consolation bracket. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, lesson 5.
4 quads, no false start, so this is going to be going here. All 4 quads still in the air. Looks like your leader off the blocks is going to be Engineer, followed by Fat Kid FPV, followed by K-Mead, followed by JT FPV, all separated by no more than 1 to 2 seconds. First one through our TBS Inception Gate, clean back around from left to right is going to be Engineer. Running in second is going to be K-Mead, then Fat Kid FPV, then JT FPV, all on to lap number 2. And I am just trying to catch up right now. This is some insane blade-to-blade battling. Engineer currently holding out in front. He was holding out in front, striking the bottom of the Inception Tower. Fat Kid FPV, now your leader, moving left to right onto the final lap. JT FPV out in a yaw spin of death. That's going to allow K-Mead to run in the number 2 spot, going on to the final lap. Fat Kid FPV with a world of room right now. He's making his way back up through our Inception Gate, doing a little bit of a turnaround there. He's way ahead. He just needs to finish at this point. There goes K-Mead going up. JT FPV back up in the air, but he's a little far behind at this point. Winner is going to be Fat Kid. Second place, K-Mead. Then JT FPV is going to round out in third. Engineer, unfortunately, he's going to finish out in fourth in this one. He was in the lead. Ho, 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 ho. I don't know what he hit, but whatever he did, he just said America. I sent it off is what I heard.
Yeah, that's a tough